Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you thoughts on the Frostbound, like what are the things that you have to be aware of. So this is not really a classic tower defense, it's like a lane-based wave defense where enemies advance from the right and you place the units in 3 columns. Now losing a column means you can deploy there until you push the enemies back. Then also, so the English translation needs significant improvement. And the kind of like tooltips are unclear, and the special effects are a little bit harder to understand. But the card art gets praised, but also the UI and art stuff feels kind of like generic, as you can see. But it's like kind of alright game. And also to be aware of, it's not really good for the Steam Deck, so it's not running well there. And in mid game, it's hard to see what kind of abilities the enemies have. So it's a fun game, but these are the things that you have to be aware of. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.